Silver has just crashed -8.10% to $81.69. In this video we break down exactly what is driving this move and what it means. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. It is Friday, May 15th, and this is your complete global market briefing. Caution prevails across asset classes. Investor sentiment is being shaped by S&P 500, NASDAQ end lower as inflation, Iran tensions weigh, the Detroit News. Let us start with a quick look at how the major global markets are positioned today. Starting with the major global indices. S&P 500 edged higher to $7,501.24, plus 0.77% on the session. Equity markets are responding to reports that it's a bear market rally, the sell-off to resume, seeking alpha. NASDAQ 100 edged higher to $29,580, plus 0.73% on the session. Dow Jones edged higher to $50,063, plus 0.75% on the session. DAX edged higher to $24,456, plus 1.32% on the session. FTSE 100 ticked up to $10,373, plus 0.46% on the session. Now let us turn to some of the biggest names in global equities. Samsung is trading lower by -4.73% to $282,000. TSMC is trading higher by plus 4.48% to $417.72. Nvidia is trading higher by plus 4.39% to $235.74. BHP is trading lower by -2.77% to $60.34. Now let us dig into the macro picture driving these moves. On the geopolitical front, this comes as stock markets rally as if the Iran war is already over. Really? Taste to live, adding pressure to energy markets. This is adding a risk premium across energy markets and supporting safe haven flows. Investor sentiment is being shaped by S&P 500, NASDAQ end lower as inflation, Iran tensions weigh, the Detroit News. Rate expectations remain the dominant macro driver for equities and currencies. Any surprise, hawkish or dovish, has the potential to trigger outsized moves. Investor sentiment is being shaped by S&P 500 and NASDAQ notch records, boosted by RE and earnings optimism. Turning to commodities. Brent crude climbed to $107.28 per barrel, up 1.56% on the session. WTI crude climbed to $102.66 per barrel, up 1.62% on the session. Natural gas climbed to $2.93, up 2.41% on the session. Gold dropped sharply to $4,618 per troy ounce, down 1.7% on the session. The move follows reports that European stocks fall as Iran war drives oil rally, bond sell-off. Safe haven demand is being supported by reports that why gold isn't acting like a safe haven right now, Think Economic and Financial Analysis, Think. This comes as stock markets rally as if the Iran war is already over. Really? Taste to live, adding pressure to energy markets. Let us give you our near-term view on silver. With today's selling pressure, the key support level to watch for silver is around $77.61. A failure to hold there could accelerate the decline. For a recovery, bulls need to see a reversal in the macro drivers currently weighing on prices. This is our view, always do your own research. In the currency markets, euro to US dollar is at 1.17, losing 0.5% on the day. Pound sterling to US dollar is at 1.34, losing 1.1% on the day. US dollar to Japanese yen is at 158.51, gaining 0.42% on the day. The move in the dollar reflects reports that European stocks fall as Iran war drives oil rally, bond sell-off. Before we wrap up, here is your watch list for the week ahead. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and key data releases. Any of these could be the catalyst that defines the next directional move. If you found this analysis useful, please hit the like button, it genuinely helps us reach more investors. Subscribe and turn on notifications for our daily market briefings. Drop your view in the comments, are you bullish or bearish from here? We read every comment and often feature viewer questions in future videos. That is all from MTRS_Market Pulse for today. All analysis is for informational and educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always consult a qualified financial advisor for your specific situation. Trade safe, and we will see you in the next one. That is your full global market briefing from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe and turn on notifications for daily updates.